Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Blackbird. Welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. The reality TV stars Todd and Julie Chrisley have been found guilty of conspiracy to defraud banks out of more than $30 million in fraudulent loans, according to a press release from the Department of Justice. The Chrisleys and their accountant, Peter Tarantino, were also convicted of several tax crimes, including attempting to defraud the Internal Revenue Service. The release from U.S. Attorney for the Northern District of Georgia, Ryan Buchanan, said, "As today's outcome shows, when you lie, cheat, and steal, justice is blind as to your fame, your fortune, and your position." Carrie Garley, a special agent in charge of FBI Atlanta, said in a statement, "In the end, when driven by greed, the verdict of guilty on all counts for these three defendants proves once again that financial crimes do not pay." The jury also found Julie Chrisley guilty of wire fraud and obstruction of justice. So the bank fraud was done before they became reality TV stars, and the tax evasion crimes happened after they began to make millions with their TV show. Also, during this trial, according to page 6, Todd Chrisley's former business partner alleged that the reality star cheated on his wife, Julie Chrisley, with his business partner, and that they paid off a blackmailer to keep the affair a secret. Mark Braddock is the business partner. He testified in the Chrisleys' ongoing federal fraud trial in Atlanta that he and Todd, 53, were intimate for about a year in the early 2000s. After the alleged affair ended, Braddock said the two men continued a friendship until 2012 that he likened to a brotherhood. During that time, Braddock worked for Todd's foreclosure management company, Chrisley Asset Management, and he testified that they began to receive anonymous texts threatening to expose them for fraud and their alleged dalliance. Braddock testified that one text read, "Pay cash and we'll shut up," according to the report. He claimed he then withdrew 4 payments of $9,500, totaling $38,000 from his bank account, and gave it to Todd to pay the blackmailer. According to the indictment, prosecutors allege the reality TV couple submitted fake documents to banks when applying for loans, and that Julie also submitted false credit reports and bank statements when trying to rent a house in California. So, what do you guys think about this? And what's going to happen to their poor little granddaughter? I think her name is Chloe. I haven't watched their show in years, but I think the last time I saw their show, she was maybe a year old. But I think both of her parents, their son and her mother, had some sort of drug addiction, and that's how they ended up with the child. So what's going to happen to her? Who is going to take care of her while they're in prison? They're intending to appeal the decision, but they're probably not going to win that appeal because there's evidence of their crimes. Anyway, a lot of these people shoot themselves in the foot. They did these crimes, the bank fraud, before they were famous. They should have stayed in obscurity, because once you're out there and people start to look at you and see how rich you are, and they want what you have, and they'll work against you to make sure you lose what you have. And to be honest, Todd Chrisley's lawyers saying that his business partner was obsessed with him, and it's not true that they didn't have an affair. I believe it. And this is not me condemning a person for being gay or bisexual, even though I don't believe in bisexuality. That is just me. I'm not condemning anybody for it. But you could tell that it is most likely true, because he is extremely feminine, and I mean, he just gives that vibe of being a gay man. So I believe it. And you know, he should just come out and tell the truth now that it's out there. Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think about these criminals. What do you think about what's going on with them? Let me know in the comments. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe, you guys. Please share and please like to help me get my videos out there to more people and build my channel. Thank you. Bye.